Good day, fellow traders. In today's video, we'll be learning how to trade using RSI and the Parabolic SAR. Now, let's get right into the video. You move over to the indicator section, you select RSI, then move back and select the Parabolic SAR. I would prefer to change the color to yellow. Okay. Now, the Parabolic SAR follows the movement of the candles, but also helps to indicate the next direction of that market. When they are the following dots beneath the candles, it shows that it's moving steadily but has the potential, but it's moving in an uptrend format. Then when it's above, it's suggesting that there could be an immediate downtrend. And we already know what the RSI indicates, so let's take our few trades. Now the Parabolic SAR shows that there's possibility for a downtrend. So I'll look for a good entry point, then take a 1 minute down trade. Let's pick another asset. In a downtrend in this trade. It seems we lost this one. I'll be taking another trade then. I'll be taking a trade for the up direction here. It seems we won this trade, and the movement of the Parabolic SAR was consistent throughout, unlike our previous trade. Since we lost this trade by very few pips. But in summary, I would love to explain the purpose behind these trades. For the Parabolic SAR, they are consistent movement of these dotted lines that show the next direction of the market and should be followed consistently, or also paired with a different indicator like the RSI, like I did in this case. And judging from the RSI, you'll be able to have a much better insight on the direction of the trade, if it's going to be an uptrend or a downtrend within your trade duration. So I hope you've been able to pick something valuable from this video. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe.